YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on or off keyboard sounds for your Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. This will work for the S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on or off keyboard sounds for your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to look for a feature called sound and vibration, and you want to jump into that menu. From there, you want to scroll down and you want to look for system sound, and then when you find system sound, you want to hit system sound. And then from there, what you want to do is look for Samsung keyboard, and then from there you can use the toggle switch to turn on or off keyboard sounds. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change the keyboard sound for on and off on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe.